Power of the internet. My freaking voice is so shot right now, guys. I'm not even lying. It's it's a little shot right now. But that's okay. Because we are going to play some Texas Chainsaw Massacre here. Bad. Oh, we get the blood red variant. That's awesome. I am pumped for that. I'm gonna suck at this though. I still am not an expert by any means on this game, nor am I good at it. I'm not good at a lot of games, let's be honest. But we're here to have fun. That's what we're here to do. So hopefully this will be a fun one. But yeah, instead of using my headset, I'm actually using my Bluetooth Yeti. Well, why did I say Bluetooth? My Blue Yeti mic that I use for all my podcasting stuff. So it looks like it's gonna be good. Everything's so red. Can I get the blood, please? Yeah, I run like a blood harvesting build. It's cooked, so I really don't know what else you guys expect. I feel like that's like the most common thing to do. You got our padlocks on. We'll get this door padlocked up. We'll get the front door padlocked up.
Dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
Collect as much blood as we can on the way. We'll do a little loop-de-loop here. Grandpa must be in the next room over. I'll get this padlocked up, and we'll get that, maybe that side door. There's a side door, right? Where is the side door? Is the next room over? Next room over, yeah.
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now.
There's 71 grabs. Should I be able to see shadows of someone's feet walking up here? Oh, hey.
We ain't letting you off.
Hey, don't be hitting me. I'm an old man. You jerk. Turn around.
I don't much enjoy being violent, but I got no choice here.
He's outside. Going for a run, huh? Yeah, that door's locked. I don't know what you expect to do there. That's fine. Get back in there. Get back inside. Get back inside. 'Cause guess what? I'm gonna have a padlock now. Dick. You didn't freak out Grandpa, so are you just lurking around here somewhere?
Damn kids.
Damn kids.
Where'd they go?
If I stay on here longer, does that equal more points? I don't know if it does. I'm not an expert with Cook. Hey, no, no. Are you guys playing at all? See the shadow of him crouched again. We're just gonna close that right now. We'll get rid of that little space there. You don't need that space, right? We got Grandpa full set of blood here.
I know you around here somewhere.
Hey. Ow. Hit me with the damn door. I should have knew that was coming. Yeah, you might want to go back down there.
I can't think straight with all this craziness going on. There you are. Woo.
Yeah, you want to come? Come on. If you Grandpa. I don't know if this is gonna be. He's incapacitated again? Damn it! I got outside. Where'd you go?
They couldn't have gone much further.
Where'd you go?
I got you now.
I'm starting to question, like, are my teammates playing? I don't think so.
That's
He's
it.
gonna keep bullying me, huh? Oh
Tastes
yeah, I saw I
good,
had
don't
Bob
it?
over there. I don't get that. Is that upstairs or is that down? Okay, I'm seeing shadows all over the places. I'm assuming that's all because they're upstairs. Well, I'm sorry, Grandpa. Nobody else is playing.
What the heck is everybody doing? You should have found them by now.
Apparently nothing, or Cook. They're doing nothing. Because nobody else seems to be playing. Okay. Hitch is finally doing something.
Stop your messing around.
Wow. Look who finally showed up. How nice of you to join the party, Hitch.
Sure. I hear him. Over there.
He's storming through the doors.
Get off me.
No! Don't you dare! Oh!
Take that!
Punch me in the go nuts. You're hit. Other way, you stupid. Yeah, they got all the doors unlocked. It's not surprising. I don't think anyone's really
You're gonna peter out
doing
soon.
anything.
Always happens.
I guess I'll go out here and check the gen. Yeah, front door's open too. Damn it. Go around the other way, Hitch. Go around the other way. Hitch, don't be following me, please. Oh my god, there's such a distance that she can actually hit that door. That's okay. That's okay, you know, it is what it is. We're never gonna get Gramps leveled up because they keep attacking him. But they gotta run out of stuff sooner or later, right?
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Right? Oh, god damn. Holy hell! She go upstairs? Yeah, she went upstairs. I thought there was like a little delay between the times that you could like redo that stun over and over again.
Doggone head. This is all his doing.
Too bad Grandpa ain't able.
I mean, I'm trying here, guys. This is my first game back in a little bit. And these guys just keep door slamming every step of the way. And they can just keep spamming it. I thought there was a delay now, though. Alright, Jen's off. I'm going outside. Screw you guys. Is Jen over here? I'm assuming Jen's right over here. No, I don't want to play you guys. I'm going home. I'm leaving. Yeah, you're a dick. Apparently this Survivor series or Survivor collection of people know what they're doing.
It's gonna be much more for the worse if the others find you.
Is
I
that the gen on
promise
that
you
side?
that.
I don't know. You're gonna
Got you
you
now.
gonna drop them?
They're over here.
Just leave us alone! Just leave us alone!
Hitch is Finally helping at least. Basement exit's open. The game's chocked. I know that for a fact.
I'm getting fed up as all get out.
He's just hovering there. They're all gonna go to the other exit. Yeah. Game's over. We didn't stand a chance. Hitchhiker didn't play for the longest time, and what's her face didn't play at all, so I was doing better last game than I was though, but I need to crack 1,000 points. So that's not good. There's like an exit out here to lock up. Wow. There's already noise to wake them up. That's awesome. Not really. I'm a little bit terrified. Yes, over here is to lock up. There's a blood bucket over there. I'm assuming putting a lock on here is good.
I'ma smack that Johnny upside his doggone head. This is
Smack
all
that
his
on.
doing.
I didn't even see that well there. I'm stupid. Yeah, I like that you can set up your characters to play differently. There's multiple ways to do it. That's a fun aspect of things. It's all about getting the right perks and learn how to run them. And learn to use my my perks more.
I know you around here somewhere. I hear him. Over there.
I see you up there, bud. I see you up there, boy. Is there a ladder or something up there? No, that's... Man, I don't know where I'm going in this place.
Just
Hey, Hitch.
You think this is a party? Stop your messing around.
Stop your messing around, boy. Somebody stuck in one of Hitch's traps. All the way over there, eh? Where did he go? You can't get in that one for some reason. Close this because there's no point in having that open. Got that blood water back here. Generator's off now. Great. I don't exactly know how to get to there. Okay. So they're all rushed. They did this as a diversion, probably. Distraction. This is the distraction point. Yep, they're all escaping out that way. Oh, somebody's on cramp.
Your turn.
You just do that for the sake of doing that? Because you're an asshole? Hey, you big bully! Nothing but a bully, huh? Nothing but a bully. Wait.
Come on now. You know I can't let you leave.
Help me!
I know you around here somewhere. Gotcha. You can't hide from me.
You down there, buddy.
I got you now. Got you now. They're over here.
Still one left, right? Again, our third player disconnected.
Lord.
Okay, I got another padlock. Might as well just add to a random spot at this point. Game's pretty much over. There's only one survivor left. And I have not a clue where he is. Unless he made his way all the way back over to the other spot. Car battery, maybe. I mean, that's what it is. Close this crawl space. I didn't even know that crawl space was there. I thought it was a crack in the wall to get through. mean, I'm sure they've changed the game a little bit, so since originally playing. Because for the most part, I haven't played since the original release of it. That's not good. You leave my Gramps alone. Very fragile old man. Should climb over something.
See what you made me go and do? Grandpa ain't gonna tolerate this mess much longer. You better straighten up your act and find these dang kids.
Well, I mean, at least we're having a good game so far. What's it look like over here? And generator's off now too. Are you kidding me?
Yes, it's better if you die right quick. Trust me.
I'll be safer than men.
Ha! We got some blood over here.
I'm gonna find you.
Store's open.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. You're gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Right out the gate.
We didn't have much choice. We couldn't let Johnny spring no love child around here. This ain't personal. Now get back here.
Oh, I got killed. I didn't think I was actually gonna get that kill, but I'm okay with that, you know? A good way to end the stream.
This'll shut you up a bit.
Good game, folks. Anyways, we're gonna end the stream here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace.